many people are having trouble with adjusting the temperature on their Samsung RF28R6201SR refrigerator? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select Cooling Mode. Tap the Cool Select Zone button several times to pick a mode such as Wine, Deli, or Beverage. Step 2. Auto Temperature Adaptation. The fridge will automatically adapt the temperature in the Cool Select Zone based on your choice. Step 3. Switch Temperature Scale. Hold the Cool Select Zone button for 3 seconds to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. Step 4. Recognize Temperature Display. Note that the panel will mark the actual fridge temperature until it aligns with your set temperature. Step 5. Set Optimal Temperature. For best results, set the freezer to 0F18C and the fridge to 37FB, 3C. Step 6. Handle temperature fluctuations. Should the refrigerator's temperature rise due to frequent door opening or large quantities of food, the temperature display will blink until it restores to the set temperature. After following these steps, you should be able to confidently adjust and maintain your fridge's temperature settings. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.